Hi, I welcome you all to this session on time management. In the last session, we have committed some mistakes that we have made some wrong entry. Therefore, there are some issues that have that the system has thrown at us. So we are going to bring about change. So where we have committed the mistakes, we have committed the mistakes here. Period work schedules, because we are supposed to that create a work schedule for 5 days work, 5 days period and 2 days holidays, whereas we created for only one day, that is Saturday, and Sunday was a working day. That is, so how we are going to rectify this? Then we will um, bring about certain changes in the calendar, because another the calendar month started from 0 to February month, to the from the month of February it is started. Then uh, we will also change that. Then we will see go for display by using the code PT03. So first we will see, we will bring about the changes in the that war schedule. We will use this SM30. Okay, SM30, this is the table reference number V underscore T551A. Okay, this is for period work schedule. Maintain, we can go for maintain. So our that grouping code was 70, we can sort this 70. Okay, 70 we can, so there is a long list already exists, so we can say grouping code 70, grouping code 70. Yes, this is general shift Sahu I have used. You see, here is a change actually. So we have made, because the time calculations, the day calculation, month calculations, or basis that, and uh, especially the hour calculation we have made on 5 days actual working hour, whereas here we have put it as 6 days working hours. So therefore we have to bring about changes here. It's a weekday, 7th day is a weekday. Then we'll see, we'll then save it with this TR number. We can, so data was saved, then data was saved. So there is another, then we can go back. Okay, we can go back, then we will go to that time like PT01. Okay, PT01, it is for creating the schedule actually. So just now I have rectified the errors. It was supposed to be here actually. This is the subgroup 2. Okay, then we can I have just made it January 01. Earlier it was 02. Therefore this Republic Day holiday that we have made on January, it was not appearing in this calendar, because the calendar was starting from February. That's why that Republic Day was not appearing. So therefore we will see. So we can go back, then we can go to uh, then we can display like PT03 is for display. So this is for display option comes, you see. So now it is starting from January, you can see. So earlier in the last video it was on February it was starting, so January. So January 26th was a off day. Why? Because it was Republic Day. So we'll see 26th. Yes, it is here. One mark is there. It is. Let us click on this. So it is Republic Day. It is clearly appearing. So this is how we can actually configure. Okay. So we can go back. So this is how we can configure actually. So the data has been rectified. Thank you very much.